Hi guys, if snipping tool is crashing on your Windows 11 computer, here are the fixes. So the very first fix is just open snipping tool and just click on these three dots and click on settings. And now just change this location where screenshots are being saved from OneDrive to this local location. Okay. So many a times you'll find that this is being saved in a OneDrive synced folder. If that is the case, just click on change and just locate it to some other folder which is not being synced in your computer. Okay, you can create also any folder where these screenshots can be saved. Okay, and just select the folder. Okay, so this can also fix the issue. The second fix is just turn off this automatically save original screenshots, because if you don't want automatic saving, you can turn it off and it helps a lot. Many users said that turning it off fixed this issue. If you don't want that, keep it turned on. Let's move to another fix, and that is just when you search snipping tool, right click and click on run as administrator. And this also fixes the issue. If this is also not fixing the issue, then right click on the start button, click on settings, and now just click on apps, and now click on installed apps, and here just search snipping tool. Okay, and now click on these three dots, click on advanced options, scroll down and find reset, click on reset and reset snipping tool, and your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.